So I wanted to address trading for beginners. What would I do if I didn't know anything about trading? How do I start? Well, I I'm not gonna lie, but if you don't know anything about trading, I think the best script for you is Market Cipher, without a doubt. If you have no idea about trading, you don't know anything about trading, I would recommend having Market Cipher first. Then understand how Market Cipher works. And first of all, understand how trading works. Trading is basically buying and selling, and you buy one and you sell, buy and sell. All right, so of course you're buying and selling an asset, and which is being traded by different set of people across the world, and the price keeps changing up and down, up and down, up and up, and also you're just buying and selling stuff. So that's what trading. So it depends on the exchange that you're trading. If every exchange has its terms and conditions. So I'm not here to talk about exchange. I'm here to talk about newbies in trading. And after learning how to, after learning buying and selling, let's go to the candlesticks and how they react to price. Sorry, they react to your script. So this is your trading view chart. So you have to realize that trading is all mathematical. Price goes up, sorry, price goes up and price comes down. This is pertaining to an asset. So let's say a Bitcoin that we are trading, price goes up, consolidates, comes down, consolidates, goes up, comes down. So in short, in summary, you would say price goes up, goes down, consolidates. So this is direction. This is up, down, consolidates. This is how price tends to move. Then after that, you have to understand that you need a script that tells you when price is going up and when price is telling you or coming down. Sorry. And this is where Market Cipher sets itself from any other oscillator out there or any other script out there, because it gives you an empirical overview, real time, accurate data of the very direction of an asset at different time frames. So at different time frames, Market Cipher gives you an overall um, direction similar to the direction of your assets on the charts that goes up, down, constantly goes up. Market Cipher gives you that visual overview. So understand how price works, understand how oscillators always work, or your indicators also works. Then you overall understand how trading works in general. So yeah, of course, this is just my take on trading for beginners and rookies, what you have to know and what you have to do. And I just simplify this course. Sorry, I do have a course, and it's a simplified course, but I'm just talking about this session. It's just trying to deal with beginners and how you can navigate your world throughout trading using Market Cipher. So until then, have a nice time, people.